Look up, what do you see? Just the sky. Look closer, that's not just empty space, it's a giant physics lab filled with incredible things. The sun, the moon, the stars, they all follow the laws of physics. Even closer, right here on Earth, physics is at work. Why do things fall down and not up? How do airplanes fly? These are the questions physics helps us answer. The universe is full of mysteries, big and small. And the best part? You can start unraveling those mysteries right now. Welcome to the adventure of physics. Some people think physics is just equations and textbooks, boring, but that's wrong. Physics is about understanding how the world works, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Think about a toy car. Why does it roll? What happens when it crashes? Physics explains it all. Or think about a rocket ship blasting off. That's physics in action too. Understanding physics helps us build amazing things, from bridges to computers. It helps us solve problems and make the world a better place. Ready to change the world? Start by understanding its rules. Physics can seem complicated, big words, complex ideas, but it doesn't have to be that way. We can talk about physics in a way that makes sense, even for kids. For example, gravity. It's a force that pulls everything together. Like when you jump, gravity pulls you back down to Earth. Simple, right? Or take motion. Things move because of forces acting on them. A soccer ball stays still until you kick it. That kick is a force that makes the ball move. Physics is all around us. Once you understand the basic ideas, you start seeing it everywhere. Want to see physics in action? You don't need a fancy lab, your kitchen is the perfect place. Try this. Fill a glass with water almost to the top. Carefully place a piece of cardboard over the top. Now quickly flip the glass over while holding the cardboard. What happens? The water stays in the glass. That's air pressure at work. Another fun one. Take two balloons, one inflated and one not. Rub the inflated balloon on your hair. Now hold it near the deflated balloon. What happens? The deflated balloon moves towards the charged one. That's static electricity. These simple experiments show how physics works in everyday life. Fun, right? Remember bedtime stories? They made learning fun. We can use stories to learn about physics too. Imagine a tiny ant pushing a giant crumb uphill. That's like us trying to understand the universe. It seems impossible, but the ant is strong, and we are curious. We can do it. Or think about a shooting star. It looks magical, but it's just a piece of rock falling through the atmosphere, burning up because of friction. Physics explains the magic. Stories help us connect with complex ideas in a fun and engaging way. They spark our imagination and make learning an adventure. Section 6. It's too hard. Breaking down barriers to learning. Learning about physics can be challenging. Sometimes kids might say, it's too hard, but don't give up. The key is to break down complicated ideas into smaller, easier to understand parts. Use visuals, hands-on activities, and simple explanations. Remember, learning takes time. Be patient, be encouraging, and celebrate every small victory. With the right approach, anyone can understand the wonders of physics. Section 7. The power of observation encouraging curiosity. The most important tool for a physicist? Not a telescope or microscope, it's your own curiosity. Encourage kids to ask questions about the world around them. Why is the sky blue? How do magnets work? Every question is an opportunity to explore the wonders of physics. Go on nature walks, visit museums, watch documentaries. The world is full of amazing things waiting to be discovered. All you have to do is look closely. Section 8. Physics is everywhere, connecting the dots. Once you start learning about physics, you'll see it everywhere. It's in the way a ball bounces, the way music travels through the air, even in the way you walk. Help kids make these connections. Show them how physics relates to their everyday lives. This will make learning more meaningful and fun. Physics isn't just a subject in school, it's the language of the universe. Section 9. Go forth and explore. The adventure continues. Learning about physics is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to discover, something amazing to learn. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the universe and everything in it. The adventure has just begun.